We have a Node.js server here that's running on the Mac, and we're using Airport wirelessly if you're kind of curious about the technical aspects of it. Everything is in CSS, where you can see a lot of CSS transitions and HTML5 aspects. So, and if you see something that you want to ask about, feel free to. So I've been a web developer for about maybe 7 or 8 years. Before that, I spent about 10 or 15 years in the 3D field. So I thought it was kind of neat when a few years ago, I guess 2009, there was a working draft put out that introduced 3D transforms to CSS. And I also thought it was kind of an odd fit. But it's kind of an interesting sort of marrying of technologies. Before I get started, I kind of broke the talk up into 4 different areas. The first is the what you will know. This is like what we're going to talk about today, what you'll kind of leave the presentation with. What you must know are the basics, the absolute minimum things that to actually do anything with 3D transforms. If you haven't played with them much in sort of building this project and building some prototypes, we're going to talk about what you might not know. And I suspect that's definitely going to be the case. And then also, I have a few slides and some technology demos in this last section here that talks about what you should know. And those are just some higher level ideas. And I don't necessarily promise to have all the answers. I'm going to show you some potential ways that we can use CSS transforms in our user interface. I see a lot of OpenGL done with the iPad with Objective-C, and I want you to think about some of the things that you see in some of these applications that can actually be done as a web app. So